Hey guys, let's do some account at home. Yeah, you really did, don't you? Yeah, I really did. Okay, what are you gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm just gonna have to do some signs.
Yeah, signs, right? Yeah, signs! What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna have to move on some signs.
Okay.
Good. Alright, so, tree. You take your dominant hand as your ground, and you take your dominant hand as a wind tree. Tree. Sign tree. 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 Leaf. You take your index finger and put the leaf shape, and you just fold it down like a leaf. Leaf. Sound leaf. 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 Grass. Grass. You take your hand and you have to gently check out the grass. Grass. Saying grass. 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 Clouds. Clouds. You take your C for cloud and you trace it up here as a trace of a cloud. Clouds. Clouds. Saying clouds. 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 Rain. Rain. You take your 5 hands and you move it down like your raining is coming down. Rain. Sound rain. 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 Wind. Wind. You take your hand and you swirl it around just like you have the wind blowing. Wind. 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 Snow. Snow. You take your 5 fingers and you just have to gently around when the snow is falling. Snow. Sign snow. 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 Coat. Coat. You take your hands and put on your coat on and just do it like this. Coat. Sign coat. 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 Boots. Boots. You take your B hands and you're tapping the boots. Boots. Sign boots. 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 Gloves. Gloves. You take your hand and you put on some of the gloves and you do the other side. Gloves. Saying gloves. 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 Hat. Hat. You tap your head with your hands on your head. Hat. Sign hat. 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 Okay, let's do some. Alright, let's do some. Ready to go. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to play. Ready to go. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to play. We're going outside to play. Oh, you're going outside to play. Okay, sorry about that. It's beautiful in spring and summer and fall, and it is beautiful in winter. It's winter after all. Any time of the year, any time of season, I will play outside without any special reason. Ready to go, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to play. When I look around, I see snowflakes on everything. When I look around, I see snowflakes on everything. Ready to go, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to play. Let's go outside. I got my hat, I put on my gloves, stopping my boots, my rainbow coat. Here comes the rain, and now it's snow, and it's been for hours. Ready to go, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to play. Let's go outside and touch the grass and feel the wind. Smell the flowers, climb the tree and trace the clouds and crush the leaves. And it'll play for hours, and for hours. Ready to go, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day to play. Ready to go, it's a beautiful day. We're going outside to play. It's beautiful in spring and summer and fall, and it's beautiful in winter. It's winter after all. Any time of year, any time of season, I will play outside without any special reason. That's a good song. Thank you very much. Well, I better get going then. Okay then. Have fun. You too. Okay. So let's go to Rexall, okay? Okay. Good.